podcast, and we're going to talk about a practical ROI analysis framework. So a lot of $10 words there, but really the whole point of this is like, how can you actually implement this and not go crazy trying to set it all up and do it. I talk about it like that because it's a complex topic. It's super complex from a technical standpoint, because you have to organize a handful of software tools. No offense, but the average lawyer is not super technically savvy. But I mean, just straight up, it's challenging for people who are very tech savvy, because we spent almost a year testing a handful of providers and configuring it to get it where we wanted, where we feel really confident about those that data coming in off of these leads. And so now I think we have really a best-in-class experience across the spectrum of law firm marketing agencies. So the first thing is, we want to set up your measurement infrastructure. The gold standard for me is going to be a software called What Converts. CallRail is also sufficient. There's other ones out there that you can apply, and something is better than nothing, but I would recommend What Converts. We have found it to be more accurate than the other tools that are out there and on the market. But at the end of the day, getting something is better than nothing, and a basic Google Sheet or within your CRM, having a field attached to a lead coming in and writing down where that lead came from is going to be super helpful. And so outside of having like a technical solution to solve this, you just want to get in the habit and train your intake team to always be asking, hey, how did you hear about us? And writing that down. And that's, kind of that two checkpoint system is going to be the best, because like I said at the beginning, this stuff's never 100% perfect. And so you are going to get people who say, oh, I found you on Google. Well, that could be ads, it could be LSA, it could be a variety of things. And so you want to just do your best to try and get as much data as you can, but again, don't go nuts trying to do this. So you want to get just something down, some sort of process in place, and start with a Google Sheet, whatever, and then make it more complex as you go, putting it into CRM. So we're at the point now where we have this software and we can actually use systems to send that data directly in and tie it to the lead within the CRM system. So it's, we have a very advanced approach, in my opinion, but it saves law firms a lot of time and reduces some of that need to track every single lead. So we're giving them a ton of data, and then you can utilize that data in like your reporting, your CRM reporting and stuff like that. But just get something started. I recommend doing this for all leads, right? Because that's going to give you the best view on what's working, what's not working, high quality, low quality, all that sort of thing.